So once again, welcome. We're making chapatis and we are almost in the last process. Really golden brown. Let's see the other side.
Taste its warmth on your skin. One last exhale of a big ordeal in a day.
I can't wait to eat the chapos. It's been a while since I ate and I just miss them. You know, when you miss something from home, oh my god, I don't know, it's crazy.